So hi everyone, this is CopadoCon 2026 and it's not an event, it's not a conference, it is a full house productions. Today I am at the main gate of Grand Sheraton Hotel, which is in Whitefield, and I'm going to show you that me as attendee, that how my experience is going to be. Last time we did it in Jaipur, this time it is in Bangalore, and let's see how it is going to be. Oh, this is nice. So this is the QR code?
Yes, it's in the bag.
So what's there in the bag? What is this? These are some Copado stickers, or the main mascot speakers. I have something else. What is this? This is my ID card. So guys, now it's a keynote time and we have two dynamic speakers in the house, which is Ted and the Fede. We'll see how that is going on right now. Just follow me inside.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to CopadoCon.
Keynote was not just a product update. It was more like, here is where the world of Salesforce is going. Here is what the means for your team, and here is what the Copado is doing to help you get there. Alright guys, we are done with the keynote speaking and it was great experience from Fede and Ted. And right now it's time for the demos and visiting all the sponsor booth as well. So let's go for that as well. Welcome back everybody. So right now that you see, we have a bronze sponsor Rapbot for Copado. Let me ask few questions to the leaders of Rapbot, that what value addition is adding to the customers that being as a company. So let's ask this question. Hi sir.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
What's your name sir?
My name is Prabhakar. I am founder and CEO of Rapbot Technologies. I am the VP of Growth and Strategic Consulting at Rapbot.
Yeah, myself Rahul Gupta, and I am technical architect in the Rapbot Technologies.
The Rapbot as a company using Copado, how it is adding a value addition to the customers and what brings to the table?
Sure. So Rapbot is a Salesforce implementation partner company, and having Copado with us is icing on the cake. What it does is when we are doing implementation, we make sure customers are doing the best quality of work they are getting, but we can create the thing, but they need to go smoothly in production as well. And that is where Copado comes into the picture. All we need to do is create the right user stories, solution, and deploy into production. And Copado robotic testing, Copado deployment are really smooth and really wonderful in that.
Okay, that's great to know, sir. I think that is what Copado is known for.
Right.
Okay. So, sir, what do you think that how Rapbot is adding value addition to the customer base?
Okay. So the value addition specifically from Copado standpoint comes in a way where we automate the entire release processes. We automate the entire way how the deployments are done. In a layman term, it is more of an agentic experience that you want to bring it to the DevOps cycle itself.
Okay.
Along with that, what we have done specifically at Rapbot is that we have curated an entire learning tracker, which talks about the entire Copado Excellence Center that we have set up in-house at Rapbot itself, which helps our customer as well, or any other SIs that is looking for training their entire teams to drive deeper into the understanding of the Copado and make sure that they implement the best practices out of it. So that's how it's a kind of a mix and a collaboration effort with Rapbot Copado to drive this ecosystem more deeper and make it DevOps more agentic.
So it was great talking with them, got to know a lot of insights about the Rapbot. And having said that, let's move to another sponsors booth. Now we are at the booth for Copado, for which this conference is all about.
My name is Rajat Pai, and I've been working with Copado for almost 5.5 years now. And I'm leading the enterprise support team here at Copado. Now, coming to your question, where does our Agentia testing product comes into the picture?
Okay.
As you said, in the life cycle of SDLC, testing is very important. If you don't test any product and directly deploy it to production, you are essentially ready to break the things that you have deployed. Like you don't know what is the break point and all those things. That's why testing is very essential. And why Agentia testing? Okay, we don't have a really good dedicated testing tool for Salesforce. Okay. And with Agentia testing, it is built for Salesforce testing. It has a lot of inbuilt keywords for Salesforce, and you can integrate very closely with our Agentia CI/CD pipelines in the quality phase. So it means when you are deploying the certain changes, you can trigger the Agentia testing automatically, and then you can see the result. You can say that okay, if the testing fails, stop the deployment. Okay, so you can do all those quality enhancements. Right. See, with the AI context hub, you can it has org intelligence. Okay. So you can integrate your development org with the Agentia, and you can essentially you can also integrate Jira or Azure DevOps with AI context hub. Okay. So it builds you the product, and then once it builds the product for you, you can deploy to the org, and once you deploy to the org, you can also ask the AI context hub to build a test script for you. Okay. So it will only build the test scenarios for you. So you are already getting a head start. So you don't have to work anything from the scratch. So you already have a set of robot test files given by AI to you. You just have to review it, and then you just have to run the test suite.
We are into the third product of Copado, which is called Agentia Advanced. We already covered the testing and the pro, and right now we have. What's your name, ma'am? Vartika.
Nice to meet you.
So I just want to understand that what Agentia Advanced is in terms of SDLC of the software lifecycle.
Yeah, I think Agentia Advanced is the complete SDLC cycle.
Okay.
So basically with Agentia Advanced, you get the entire package. You have basically AI sitting inside your SDLC cycle.
Okay.
So your AI, which we call the context hub, your context hub has awareness of what my pipeline is, what are my orgs, how are they connected from dev to staging to production, and then you can just ask your context hub, this is my work item, this is what I have to do the changes for me. Once you do that, you can ask it, now that you've built what you wanted to, can you write the tests for me? It will write the test for you. You can come to pipelines, which is also like something which is bundled inside Agentia Advanced. The best thing about Agentia Advanced is it's a bundle of all the three things. It's not like three fragmented tools that you have to log into this, you have to log into this, you have to log into this. That is not the case. You sign in once, you get everything, all the three things, verticals as we call it, are capable of interacting with each other. So it's like a complete product that we get.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm into another sponsor booth called Cognizant, and I have one of the experts from the same company, and I would like to understand that how Cognizant is going to play a role or add value additions to the customer base of Copado. So, hi sir.
Hey.
What's your name, sir?
I'm Setu. I lead the Salesforce DevOps practice within Cognizant.
Okay.
And from the market share perspective, we have majority of the delivery organization leverages Copado precisely for the CI/CD deployments.
Okay.
Right. And we also leverage the CRT, and of course we started moving into the Agentia journey and all that. So which is really adding plenty of value to our customers. That's the primary thing. Secondly, we also do certain assessments, right? For example, if there is an existing customer who really require our expertise in terms of analyzing what are the potential gaps which is prevailing from a performance standpoint, right? Or from any other lack of best practices, etc. All that we do, and we'll help them with an advisory that how do we kind of come out with an AI-based solutions which are aligned to the Copado side, so that they'll be able to run the entire pipeline deployments and also leverage the cutting-edge technologies and to get the best out of the Copado. So that's the roadmap which
now we have another sponsor of CopadoCon, that is Vanshu Technology, and this is one of the silver sponsors for CopadoCon. And right now we have two dynamic personality of Vanshu.
Vanshu is a consulting company, and we are more tightly coupled with Salesforce.
Okay.
And that's why Copado is our one of the favorite DevOps tool. We are leveraging their expertise, this tool, to make our client happy.
Okay.
And what OneShift can bring new for the Copado and the customers as well, like we build some AI solution there, Agentia is there,
Right.
and couple up with this Copado and then go to the customer and then find out like what the problem customer is facing and then try to build something for the customer.
Same time, we have very strategic partners in the Copado, where we are working with engineering. Their engineering, our engineering, working together. We are trying to find new solutions, trying to resolve whatever our customers are facing issues on Copado. We both together work and figure out the solutions.
Okay.
We are like 150 people in the company, all are like Salesforce, DevOps, AI,
Right.
all merged in one place and then we try to solve like bigger problem with the Copado. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, got it. Copado is not there. If you remove Copado right now, how Salesforce? I hope Salesforce itself has its own, some feature of doing the CI/CD development and all of that. How it is different from what Salesforce provide and what Copado provides?
It's a very interesting question. When I started my journey around 12 years back,
Right.
at the moment my manager asked me, Saurabh, we have completed our release, and that release was for 3 months.
Okay.
And they provided me more than 1,000 components to deploy using chain sets. So chain set definitely provided by Salesforce, but I would say biggest pain where I had to travel, I took around more than 10 days to create a chain.
And so in 10 days, right?
Yeah.
So right now, how much time it takes to do the same 10,000 components?
So now
whatever it is?
Agentia, few minutes.
Few minutes.
10 minutes.
So that is the difference that we have, guys. I mean, if you are using deployment and if it doesn't know Copado, then you're missing something in the market. Now let me ask some random question to the attendee of CopadoCon, that what brings them to CopadoCon 2026. Let's ask some few questions to them as well.
Wanted to know more about DevOps,
Okay.
Salesforce, anything. So what?
I'm looking for networking, being in my early career. So I guess networking is the core when it comes to Salesforce and Copado.
Intro was too good from the Copado CEO. So far, I'm just chasing the points.
So guys, right now we are into the Scarlett's room, where this is also called breakout sessions. And whatever the banner which we saw in the beginning near the keynote session, all these are the rooms which is divided into 4 rooms, and the speaking session is going on among multiple speakers. And when we come to events like this, it's not just you attend the events, you learn about the tools, you ask questions about the tool and you learn from the experts. So that is what we're going to experience inside this, and let's see how it is going to be. Okay, so let me show you inside the room. Right now I've taken the camera in my hand and I want to show you as an experience that me as an attendee, if I'll go inside, how the environment is going to be. Hello, can I come inside? Already session is going on. People are sitting in the back and probably the Q&A was the breakout room 1. Let me show you to another background as well, that what are they talking about. It's more of user story, how to create user stories as a PO, all of that is happening here. Let me show you the another one as well. So 2 rooms, right now we have the Madrid, and let's see what's going on inside. Excuse me. So here also we see the speaker is talking. So we have the 4th room, which is called Tokyo, and let's get inside to that also and see what's happening inside this.
Here, developing application, product bundle, when it comes to the pricing rule, product rule, and again, lookup queries, everything, there will be multiple hierarchy involved in it, okay? So
Guys, right now I have Kumar Swami with me, and he's one of the very, popular face in terms of Salesforce ecosystem. He heads Pune admin user group. Also, recently, he appointed for Copado Pune user group as well. So, Kumar, I just have one question for you. Like, you have attended many events in Salesforce, right? And right now, you're attending this conference of CopadoCon Jaipur. Jaipur was last. This time it's Bangalore. And this is the 3rd time.
second time.
Second time. So, what difference you find in terms of Salesforce event and the Copado conference?
Definitely see, compared to, I will not compare with the difference, but I specifically answer about the Copado. See, there were Copado community was inactive prior a year or 1.5 years.
Right.
So now whatever I am seeing from CopadoCon Bengaluru 2025, so huge response I am seeing when it comes to the organizing the event, the audience, the way of audience they are attending. It's immensely grown. So today also 1,500 plus. It's
Yeah.
not an easy number. Again,
Exactly.
apart from Salesforce event,
Right.
for Copado event also there are 1,500 attendees are there. Like back we did the event in the Pune. So I was never expected like 160 people will be there. Okay. So there were everyone know Copado. They were using day to day and they were very excited. And thanks to the Copado community team, they help us with the content, all the swag, support. Means we did a great job. And again, we used to say Salesforce is a vibrant community. Yes, and it's Salesforce is a vibrant community. Plus, Copado is also becoming the vibrant community.
So guys, when we talk about the conference like 4,500 people, the food plays a very important role for all the people. And here we are in Grand Sheraton, and the food quality that matters to all the people plays a very important role. So you see all the different kind of salads are here, and if I want to show you that what is there in the bucket with respect to food, we have yummy biryani, and there are a lot of other things as well. This is chicken chettinad. This is different kind of this is what I think this is some healthy pasta. I don't know what it is, but looks interesting. We have naan. I think this is called parupam rasam, and we have normal white rice. There are a lot of other things as well, and I think the same thing they have just repeated. And let me see one more one. I think this is dal panch mel. This is called Sabz Bahar. Okay, I think I'll just end up showing everything, but there are a lot of other dishes as well. So guys, right now in the front of one of the interesting part of CopadoCon 2026, which is called Experience Fun Zone. And the people, after attending a lot of sessions about the Copado, they'll come here to have a good time. So let's see what are the games that we have inside. So everyone, I have few questions in my mind, and one of the questions which is running from a long time, that what someone should learn in Salesforce in 2026. So
Agentforce. While everyone is talking about Headless 360, I'll also go with that. It's about Agentforce Headless 360.
Okay.
Should start learning about it. Everyone is running behind it.
Okay, there are other few questions.
Okay.
It's more of acronyms.
Okay.
So you'll have to, since you are into Salesforce ecosystem and you always work with Salesforce related technical terms, right? So I'm going to ask you small, it is very small acronyms. You have to tell the full form of it.
Sure.
Okay, the first one is LWC.
Lightning Web Components. Lightning Web Component? No.
What does SOQL stands for?
Salesforce Object Query Language.
Okay.
Database.
That is SQL.
SQL. SOQL. Salesforce Object Query Language.
Perfect.
Salesforce Object Query Language.
Easy.
Oh.
SL.
SOSL. No. Search language.
System object level query.
Yeah.
Don't know about that.
Salesforce Object Search Language.
Search line.
What does ZPT stands for?
Generative predictive. I don't
Next.
Generative prediction, I think.
Predictive transformation.
Generate.
Transformer.
Processing transformer.
Okay.
Generative predictive.
Okay.
Generative pre-trained transformer.
Oh. What does SFDX stands for? So
Salesforce Developer Experience.
Salesforce.
Salesforce.
Salesforce Developer Experience.
Developer experience.
what is Copado?
Copado is a Salesforce deployment tool.
Okay.
Copado is making all the Salesforce developers and release managers' life simple.
Moving the code from one org to another org.
So
Is like a command center which makes deployments much easier.
oh,
Salesforce regularly comes up with like new things like agent scripts, and Copado is really easy to like deploy using the new features of Salesforce to higher orgs.
guys, I've got some recognition awards from CopadoCon, and I'm very excited to see what is inside. Oh my god. Look at this. This is a giant trophy, and the returned CopadoCon 2026 volunteer presented to my name, Pawan Kumar Patel. And since I work with the CopadoCon every year, and this is the kind of recognition that they've given for all the volunteers, including me. So thank you so much, CopadoCon.
By 5 o'clock, the day had been long, good long but long, and everyone made their way back to the hall for the closing keynote.
Thanks. So guys, we are done with the closing keynote session, and right now the people are getting prepped for the after event party. So we have one of the best DJ in the house, and now it's time to enjoy for the event and having the great end of the day. So let's see some of the great shots of the after event party.
This is the part where the day gets more relaxed. No agenda, no session, no schedule to stick to. Just people who have had a big day unwinding together. So that was CopadoCon 2026. One day, a lot of people, a lot of conversations. From the first check-in to the final celebrations, every moment mattered. It was not just about the session, it was about the people who made the experience special. If you were there, hope you took something useful home. See you at the next CopadoCon.